Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys on how to take care of the foot sole. So as you can see guys, I'll be taking off the calluses around the foot. So what I do first is whenever I have clients coming in, I'll check out the feet, try to see if they have much calluses. Then if they do, I'll do this step. So what I do first is I'll take my foot file, I'll file off, like trying to buff out most of the dirt, if most of the dirt I could, without with before even dipping it in my pedicure bowl. So I'll just file off most of it and just make sure most of it is off before even going putting it on the in the bowl. So this is me soaking off the feet, soaking it with my foot soak and every other thing like the antiseptic. So guys, if you'd like to see what is being added in the water, please check out my other videos. I'll drop the link in the comment in the description box. Please check it out, it's there. So after soaking it off for some while, I had to like dry out some excess water left on the feet in order for me to proceed with the next step. So what I do is I'm going to scrape it out with the blade. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys on how to take off the foot calluses with the blade, it without me using the foot holder, the blade holder. So if you like to see how I do this, please keep on watching. I would like to see how I take off the foot calluses with the other blade holder. I'll also drop the link in the description, so I also add that video. So this is what I'm doing. So I'll start off with me trying to scrape it out. Hope you could see what I'm doing. So I try to zoom it as close as possible, guys. Guys, so thankfully I was able to film this particular part. So this is what I do while while trying to take off the hard calluses, because as you guys could see, this callus is so much, so you have to be very careful while making use of this blade. And if you know you are not qualified enough, if you know you are not experienced enough to do this feat, just what you just do is just have to refer them to someone you know that will be able to take care of the feet. And yeah, the advice I have for you is that if you are taking off the calluses, never mind about the lines that goes after making use of this, be like not like, I don't know how to describe it, this particular lines that looks like this, like other ones that comes off after trying to take off the calluses, because after all we are still going to make use of the callus softener. So this, with the softening gel, it will soft, it will take off these other lines that you are seeing. So that at the end of this tutorial, you would see every part of it will feel smooth, will look smooth, so there won't be any line left or visible. So guys, what you have to do focus on is just to take off as much calluses as you can. So this is it. I turn the feet in the other part for you to see the other side, how smooth it is, how much calluses that have been taken off. This is me applying the callus remover, which helps to soften up the calluses, the remaining ones left, then making the fit look smooth. So guys, this is it. After that, I'll let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes before making use of my foot file to file out the remaining ones. So guys, that's all. This is what I do. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share my video, subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe, and please stay tuned to my next video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching till this part. I hope it was really helpful. So after that, after scraping it off, of course we have to rinse off the product, dry it. Then the last thing I do is I do massage the feet, though the feet massage wasn't included in this video. But if you want to see how I actually massage the feet, it's in my other videos. Please check them out. So guys, see you next time. Bye.